Hey guys, a happy new year. It's January 2025. This is our first video of the year, and we are going to tackle on the new home builds right here in Antioch. And this is the Deer Valley Homes by Meritage. These homes are right across the street from Kaiser Permanente Hospital, and it's on Deer Valley Way and Wellness Way. So in this community, the home prices are starting at $758,000. The living spaces of the homes are approximately 2,098 to 3,247, and that depends on the model that you are selecting. And bedrooms of the models vary from 4 to 5 bedrooms, and that's just, again, depending on your model that you choose, as well as garages. So they offer 2 to 3 car garage. Also varies on the model that you are choosing, and that 3 car in the garage is a tandem for all the models. So Meritage is offering a variety of different layouts for homes. There are 6 different floor plans, but currently there are 2 modeled floor plans plus several other quick move-ins. So if there is a floor plan that isn't modeled, I'm pretty sure that they will have some that you can go and choose and check out that isn't staged, of course. That is a quick move-in. They can close within 30 days, and we can get into that in a little bit. But there are 6 floor plans, and so each of these homes, for the 6 floor plans, they have 3 different floor elevations. So this neighborhood is already selling, and half of the neighborhood is already sold and has residents living in the homes. And this neighborhood will have a park, a dog park, and a green belt. Now, as of January 2025, they are offering different incentives. They have quick move-in homes that you can get into within a 30-day close. And if you are using their preferred lender, they will give you $20,000 closing cost credit for their preferred lenders. So come along, we're gonna go and check out the 2 model homes, and they have modeled a 1-story and one of their 2 stories. So let's go. All right, so we are in Residence 1, which is their 1-story home. And it's a little over 2,000 square feet. So right over here, we have some of the bedrooms. Straight on forward is the living room and kitchen. This is the garage, which is right now the office. But right to the right here is a coat closet. Beautiful open space. We've got the island here. Where you can overlook your family, cook and dine, and the pantry right over here. Now, the great thing about Meritage is what you see is what you get in their model homes. Although this is a model home, looking at a lot of the lots, they have a pretty decent lot space and backyard for some of the newer homes that are being built, which a lot of us can appreciate. So right off here is the primary bedroom. Right into the primary bathroom. We got the dual vanities, the water closet right in here, and it's pretty deep in here. It's not too small. We have the detached shower and tub and our huge walk-in closet. All right, we're gonna head back out over to the general bedrooms. Which are tucked away in their own hallway. So immediately to your left when you're walking in here, you have a nook, which they have staged for kind of like a family area, drop area study. And this would be your laundry room. Right in here we got bedroom 1, 2, and 3, and the bathroom. So let's check out the bathroom. We've got shower over tub, dual vanities. Let's go right across here for bedroom 1. Closet space. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3, which they have staged as an office. I mean, again, it could be your office if you'd like. And that is residence 1. So let's head over to residence 5. All right, we are in residence 5, which is one of the larger ones. It is 2-story. It's got 4 bathrooms and it's a 3-car garage. It's almost 3,000 square feet. So come along and let's check it out. So right when you walk in, there is this flex space. It is staged as kind of like a flexible office. Could be used as your dining room, formal dining room. Right in here is where you would go out to your garage. Here we have the bathroom, and it's not a half bath, it is a full bath with a walk-in shower. Immediately to the left is the bedroom. Right underneath the stairs, we've got some storage for a coat closet, and it wraps all the way around for some extra storage space. And we've got that open kitchen concept with its living room, family room, I should say. Your island doubles up as a breakfast nook. Let's head on upstairs. Right upstairs, there is a loft space. Bedroom 1, bathroom, laundry room, bedroom, and primary. Got bedroom 1. Bathroom with shower over tub. And your laundry room, so you don't have to go downstairs to do your laundry. Right next door is the other bedroom. Pretty wide closet despite the door being on the shorter side. We've got some storage for your linens. Right down here is your primary. With your separate tub and shower. Your walk-in closet here. To the left is the water closet. We've got dual vanities. It's absolutely huge walk-in closet. The beautiful thing of this room is that you have some privacy windows that will let in some natural lighting without invading any of your privacy. Although you do have this one window, but at least you could keep this one closed and these open to let some natural light in.